Hi, Tegan here from East Sussex County Council's Blue Heart team. I've had the pleasure of being the project manager for SuDS for Schools over the last 1.5 years. Blue Heart SuDS for Schools successfully installed 99 sustainable drainage systems across 9 schools in the Eastbourne and Southern Wealden areas. But if we had to pick just one SuDS installation we're most proud of, it would be the feature SuD at Pevensey and West Ham Primary School. The striking rainbow in the background was drawn by one of the students, and the location was selected by staff as it's a key pick-up and drop-off site, allowing the planter to become integrated into the daily school routine. Following a round of outdoor learning with the Pevensey and West Ham students, we asked them to undertake a design workshop to tell us what they wanted to see in their school. We then took these designs and key themes to create this, the feature SuDS planter. Pevensey and West Ham love their planter, stating, "We love our SuDS installs. They raise a smile even on the gloomiest days."